In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Etsy with QuickBooks Online. This seamless integration can help streamline your accounting processes and keep your business finances organized without much hassle. So let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to open your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of the dashboard. Here, you'll see a series of options designed to help you manage your business efficiently. We're interested in the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Apps section, you'll find a couple of tabs at the top. What you're looking for is the Find Apps tab. This is where you can search for various integrations and software tools that can enhance your QuickBooks experience. Once you've clicked on Find Apps, it's time to bring Etsy into the picture. In the search bar, simply type Etsy. This search will bring up a selection of options, but the one you're specifically looking for is titled Etsy Connector by Intuit. This tool is crafted by the same company behind QuickBooks, ensuring a smooth integration with your financial data. Click on Etsy Connector by Intuit to open up its app page. This page is an important resource because it provides an overview of all the features and benefits of connecting Etsy with QuickBooks Online. It's a good idea to review this information so you understand how this integration will work for your business. After reviewing the details and deciding that this meets your needs, look towards the top right corner of the app page. Here, you'll find a button labeled Get App Now. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of connecting your accounts. Once you've clicked Get App Now, you'll be guided through the authentication and connection process. This process is straightforward, but requires you to connect both your Etsy and QuickBooks accounts securely. Make sure you have your login details handy for both platforms. This step ensures that your sales data from Etsy flows seamlessly into QuickBooks, helping you keep track of your income, expenses, and inventory. And there you go. With your accounts linked, you've now set the foundation for a more streamlined accounting process that saves you time and effort in managing your business finances. Remember, utilizing tools like this can significantly boost your productivity, leaving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now feeling confident about syncing Etsy with QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more tutorials like this one.